Hey guys, I know I look rough right now, but I'm gonna film a day in my life, so let's get to it. So I guess the first thing I would do is take care of this situation. So I'm gonna clean up and I'll show you guys a small time lapse of it. The next thing I'll do is water the plants. And get dressed. Let's do a transition. I went for very casual and comfy because it is opening night for my show tonight, so I just wanted a little bit of concealer, which I wouldn't have done if I wasn't going through such a breakout right now. So I think the next thing I'll do is clean the bird cages and just clean up a bit because it definitely needs it, trust me. So I'll show you that. This is the embarrassing before of the mess, so we're gonna get that taken care of. Okay, so that's a little better. So I did not film that process because it was gross, but if you want to know what's in Romeo's food, it's just a simple cocktail mix with some extra little treat. He's got a treat down there. This bowl is actually empty at the moment, but I typically put fresh fruit in there. We just didn't have anything fresh enough. That's his water. Princess has food and a treat, but she can't have that when it's a cocktail mix. And then this is just water, so it's pretty clean. I still have to vacuum before I get ready to go, so I'm gonna go do that real quick, but I'm not gonna share that process either because it's just kind of boring. Okay guys, so after cleaning up, I kind of crashed for the moment, so I'm gonna sit here and probably watch YouTube or something for just a little while before I have to leave. Typically I'd play ukulele because I've been trying to learn how, and lately I've been doing Riptide. Sorry, my voice is still a little bit off. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna rest up just a little bit. Probably get some coffee because I need a little more coffee. I didn't film the morning part of my routine. I think you guys saw me putting my coffee cup away, but I had coffee this morning, so yeah. Oh, and in case you're wondering, these lights turn on. You'll get to see these tonight after theater. So yeah. I'll try to film a little bit at the theater. I don't know how much I actually can film because I don't want to give too much away, and there's like 30 people in this cast, so it's kind of hard to film like anything, but we'll try, we'll see. And yeah, so I'll definitely give you guys a shot of my costume and the before and after my makeup. So yeah, I don't know like if I'll film like a before, so if not, here's the before my makeup. Anyways, yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Lady, I've been down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. Okay guys, so I just got home. I took off my makeup and I chilled out with friends for a while. It was a lot of fun. Opening night went well, but I'm gonna take a shower and update you guys when I get out. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Okay guys, so that is just about going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I had such a fun day today, and I had such a fun time editing this. I've been editing this as we speak, so if you guys like this video, please let me know because I'd love to do more like this, either day in my life or any other kind of like video. I'm thinking about doing some reaction videos on this channel, so if you'd like to see those, give me a like or let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I'm gonna get to bed because tomorrow I'm helping out in an open house and we have our second show night, so it's going to be busy, but it should be fun. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, this video should be going up at least whenever I'm doing that. I'll probably make it public tomorrow morning, so you'll get to see it then. Alright, so for now, peace!